In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional digital product inside Canva and then sell it directly from your own website using MemberSpace. This process is perfect for anyone looking to earn passive income by selling digital products. So let's dive in without further ado. First things first, you need to decide on the type of digital product you want to sell. Popular options include ebooks and guides, digital planners, journals, Canva templates, and even course workbooks or checklists. These are great choices because you only need to create them once, and then you can sell them repeatedly without extra effort. It's all about finding an idea that sparks your creativity and meets a need in the market. Now, let's get our hands into Canva. Start by searching for a template that fits the type of product you've chosen. For example, if you're making an ebook or a planner, simply type in ebook or planner in the search bar. After you find a layout that you like, you can customize it to reflect your brand. Change things like fonts, colors, and images. If you're working on something like a guide or a workbook, consider adding clickable hyperlinks to make navigation easier for your audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export it. Most digital products work best as a PDF because it's a universal format that maintains your design across devices. However, if you're selling editable designs, you can also choose to share a Canva template link. With your product ready, the next step is to set up a place to sell it. Instead of listing your items in crowded marketplaces, I recommend using your own website. It gives you complete control over pricing, how you bundle different products, and even the option to offer memberships. You'll want to start by creating a clean product showcase page on your site. Think of this as your storefront. Each product should be displayed with a title, a brief description, a price, and a purchase button. It's important for each product also to have its own dedicated page where customers can see all the details and then download the file after purchase. To manage sales, it's time to incorporate MemberSpace. This tool makes it incredibly easy to add a paywall to your site. Simply take the URL for each of your product pages and integrate it into MemberSpace. In a snap, a paywall will be applied, which means customers must create an account and pay before they can access or download your product. What's fantastic about MemberSpace is that it allows flexibility in how you sell. You can set up a one-time payment, bundle multiple products, or even create a subscription service where members gain access to your entire product library. And there you have it. With Canva, you can design stunning digital products in mere minutes. And with MemberSpace, you can sell them efficiently from your own site. Whether your products are ebooks, planners, templates, or course materials, this seamless process empowers you to transform your creativity into a stream of income. If you're gearing up to start selling, dive into Canva today, connect it with MemberSpace, and launch your digital store in just a few minutes.